Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to your Odoo website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Connecting your domain ensures that your website is accessible under your custom domain name. But before you do this, you have to make sure first that you already have the website module and you have the correct version of your Odoo account so that you will be able to actually see these features. So once you're on your website, what you will see here is the settings. So again, you have to make sure that you have the correct version that actually has this feature. And once you see settings, you will click domains and note the A record IP address provided by Odoo and log into your GoDaddy account after that. And basically, what you will do is go to your DNS management after logging in. And next, you will update the A record and enter the Odoo's IP address and save changes. Then you will wait for the DNS propagation. It may take a few minutes to a few hours. And finally, you will just have to return to Odoo and verify that the domain is connected and your website should now be live on GoDaddy domain. And that's basically how do you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.